Good morning, class 3. In the earlier part, you have studied, in the last week videos, you have studied what is graphical user interface and what is operating system. Today, we will go deeper into those concepts and we will see practically how the operating system works. Now, see children, I will show you through the computer. This is UPS. We have switched on the main power supply button. Now we will switch on UPS. It will start with this sound. Now the light is green, and here we have switched on CPU. Can you see this? Now children, see on the monitor it is showing some signs that it is starting. This is called booting. And when this picture is coming, it is called Windows flag, which you have studied, means the Windows operating system is starting. Now you can see this pointer here, the circle. It is showing that the system is getting ready to boot, to start. Here also you can see right now the circle is coming, means we cannot start working right now till it is stopped. Now it is stopped, so we can, still it is going on. We will wait for few seconds. Now it is ready and we can start working. So this process of switching on of CPU till it is getting ready is known as booting, and the symbol that we saw earlier was Windows flag. Now this is your desktop. As you can see, this is desktop of the system. It is there in your laptop also, desktop computer, whichever computer you are seeing, it is, you can see this desktop everywhere. Now this part of the desktop is desktop background. We can change this desktop background, and how we will do it, we will learn later. These are small pictures. You can see children. You have studied in earlier classes also. These are called icons. Every picture, like this recycle bin, every picture is denoting an application which we can easily understand by the picture itself. Like this is computer, so computer is written. In this a bin is made, so it is recycle bin. Like this, for every picture, like this is W, means this is MS Word. Every picture is denoting an application, and it is easier for us to understand by picture itself. Now this bar at the bottom of the screen, you have studied in second class also that this bar is known as task bar. Whatever tasks we are doing in the computer system, it is shown here in the taskbar. Now I will show you what are gadgets. See, we have right clicked. You can right click on the desktop background anywhere and you will see this menu. Here gadgets are written. Can you see this? You will click on this. These are various gadgets, children. Means these are very small applications which you can paste on the desktop background and you can use it there. Like suppose we want this clock, so we can take this clock here, add, and it will get added here. Okay, this way you can add various gadgets. Suppose you want to add this calendar, right click on it, add, and this will be added here. So these are small applications which we can add in the desktop background. Close this box, and if you want to close it, you will close through this sign. Like this, you can close it using this sign. Now children, how we will select or deselect icons? You will go on any icon or any application, just click once here with the left button and it will be selected. You can see the color has changed here. This blue color has come, means it is selected. And you click anywhere else, it will be deselected here. Like one more time, you want to select book list juniors, you will go here, click once, left click it once and it will be selected, and you click anywhere else in the blank space and it will be deselected. Now how we will open the application? Any application on any folder we want to open, we will double click on it and it will open like this. Then like this, suppose this we want to open, we will double click on it and it will open. This way we can open any application.